Hey guys, so I am getting ready to wind down for today. I had a great day. I went to the beach. Supposed to be the #1 beach in the world, so yeah, it was pretty nice. I'm actually getting ready to film a get unready with me, and I don't know, for some reason I just thought I'd film this part because it is kind of part of my day. The sun is like, whew. That's a better angle. I'm trying to put my little shawl on, so I still have my little beach clothes, and I'm being too lazy to throw on my shorts and stuff, so I'm just gonna throw on my little wrap and call it a day. But anyway, so yeah, this is part of it. Since it is my birthday weekend, I am going to get my snacks. Yes. Going to get my snacks, and when I get inside the store, I will do my best to show you guys what I got. So I'll be back. Looking at some snacks. I think I'm gonna get these robin's nests. Anybody knows I love white chocolate, and I think I'm gonna get 2 packs. So yeah. Leaving the grocery store, guys, as you can see, and yeah, I got my little snacks, so I am all set, and I don't really have anything planned for the evening. I'm just gonna go in the house and chill if I can find my car. Don't you hate when that happens, when you don't know where you parked and you be looking for your car? I'll be back in a few to show you how I get ready for bed for an evening of chill and unwind, birthday weekend turn up. All right guys, so I am just getting everything ready for bed. I have my nightgown ready, getting ready to wash my face, and you see how blotchy it is. So yeah, I'm getting ready to do that. I'll be using the Dermalogica. I'll be also using my aloe vera gel, some coconut oil, my lemon essential oil, of course my handy dandy spin brush, and my cotton for my toner, which I'll show you guys when I put that on. And speaking of toner, I mixed the two, my Thayer's and my aloe vera. This Dermalogica right here, guys, is life. Yes, this is the pre cleanse. So I'll be starting off, of course, taking off all my accessories. And you guys, I just got back from the beach. I'm dirty, I'm tired. So I'm gonna do the first steps. Oh, I need to go get my hair scarf tag. I'll be back, guys. Need to go get my hair scarf. All right, I'm back, guys. So I'm gonna just go ahead and tie my scarf down on my head and slide that back some. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is wash my hands. So that's very important. I just came from outside, guys, and it's quite chilly out there. Can I just tell you guys that sand? Yes, that sand was everything. Now I'm just sliding off my lashes. I didn't do them too well. I knew I was only gonna be wearing them for a few hours, so they're really easy to slide off. The pre cleanse, my baby. There's another one that I want to try. I can't remember the name right now. It starts with an S, I think. It's by another brand, but I know this is like one of the better brands for a cleansing oil. go in. And it gets all of that. Oh yeah, guys. How was y'all day? What did you guys do today? I hope everyone had a good Friday. So now that I got most of that off, looks like my face is pretty okay. But trust, there's plenty more dirt on it. So now I'm just gonna go in with my spin brush, and I'm just taking my Dermalogica, and I'm just pretty much pouring just about a dime size amount on there. And look how disgusting that is. That's like, y'all, that's dirty. Like, my face is still dirty even after 2 times of me pre-cleansing. And then go in with a little bit more, another like dime size. And I only really wash twice. Now I'm just going to use my daily micro exfoliant, and of course I'm using this because I just had a ton of makeup on my face. So I just put like a little bit of water in my hand and just kind of work it around because it is powder. And then I just take it, and it's like a mask, an exfoliant kind of mask, and I just work it in. I don't remember which brand I was talking about, guys, when I was saying that I wanted to try another oil. It's the Shiseido brand. That's the brand. I was like, I know it starts with the S. I just couldn't remember the name. That's the name of it, guys. Shiseido. So yeah, so that's why I bought the sample sizes, because I know how it works and it's great, but sometimes you just want to try other things. And of course, if it doesn't work, go back to your old faithful. Dermalogica has definitely been holding it down for the longest on my skin. My esthetician actually recommended it to me a while back, some years ago, even before the cleansing oils were really popular. That's the first one that I've ever used. And then of course everyone's coming out with the micellar water and all of that, but definitely been using Dermalogica for a minute. So that's it for right now, guys. I'm gonna hop in the shower with this still on, let this sit for a little bit while I'm in the shower doing my thing. Then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I finish off my face. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Took my shower, doing my little nightgown. Well, nightgown slash house clothes. I've been really into these little one pieces lately. I think it's really cute. It's just free, just, you know. So anyway, all done with that. Whew, that shower was great. FYI, guys, sand, if you guys don't know, it gets everywhere. Everywhere. And I mean, in places that should be like, really? So, it's probably, that sand is also really powdery and really light. I don't know if you guys ever been to Siesta Keys, but I was blessed and fortunate enough to go there today, and it was beautiful. So the sand is white. So I just went there to see that because everyone was talking about it. So I was like, I gotta check it out. So I just finished putting, I don't know if I showed you guys that. I just used my toner. So I just mixed a little bit of the Thayer's Witch Hazel, and I have like the huge bottle of this, but I don't know why I just like the little sample size. I guess because like if I travel, if I have to go somewhere really quickly, everything's already kind of there. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe my face down. even after I washed my face, guys, even after I did all of that, I still have a little bit of residue. So that's why it's important to go through all these steps, because you think you got it all off, and you go back through, you like, oh man, where'd that come from? So it's usually around my hairline where I have stuff left over. Yeah, I guess because my scarf was covering that part, so that's why I usually go around that. And then of course my neck, whatever you do to your face, I'm trying to get your neck as well. So I do all of that to my neck. And then, look how dirty that is, guys. That's just like disgusting. And then here I'm just getting my coconut oil. And I normally use shea butter, but I've been using coconut oil lately. I go back and forth. I prefer shea butter for my face, but I forgot to bring my shea butter. So I just take a little bit of that, you guys can see, just like a couple drops, like really minimal, maybe like 2 drops. And then I do the same with the oil. I just put like 2 drops. Oh wow, it's not coming out. 1, 2. Yeah, it's really fast, guys. And once it starts coming out, it moves. So then that's the lemon essential oil. And then I just rub that together in the palm of my hand, kind of warming it up. And then I just go all around my face. Just showing you guys my face. So, and I'm just gonna go grab my eye cream. I'm using my vitamin E. Just take a little squirt, like that much. And I just go in. Of course, you know you gotta get the lips. I'm using my satin lips. My friend is Mary Kay, and she gave me this stuff. Was this for my birthday last year? I think this was a birthday present. But yeah, then I get my little fancy on. And yeah, so that pretty much concludes the end of this get ready with me, guys. And I hope you guys like, I don't know, my skin. I hope you guys have a great Friday or a great weekend, and I will see you in the next one. And until then, you guys know what to do. Sorry, now let me stop. Until then, you guys know what to do. Stay blessed.